Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and enjoying the videos. Yesterday we had started unit number 3. We have done half of it. Let us continue it today. Please take out page number 31. First I am going to read the lesson. You please put your finger on each word and read with me. Then I'll explain you the lesson. Now second paragraph. Every 4 years the Athenians would have a festival called the Panathenea, which was popular as the Olympic Games. During the festival, a procession moved through Athens to the Acropolis and end in the Parthenon, where an expensive robe, usually made of wool, was offered to the statue of Athena. Next paragraph. On the slopes of the Acropolis were theatres where plays and festivals were conducted. The largest of them was the theatre of Dionysius, where up to 25,000 people could gather at a time. The Greeks took their theatre seriously and held contests for judging the best actor, writer, etc. The ancient Greek plays have played an important role in the history of drama. Modern drama owes many of its features to Greek drama. Now, please listen to the explanation. After every 4 years, the people of Athens would have a festival called the Panathenea, which was very famous as Olympic Games. Popular means very famous. Athenians are people living in Athens. It was as famous as Olympic Games. Do you know when the Olympic Games would be held? It would be held in the month of July in 2021 in Japan. This year it was cancelled due to COVID-19. During this festival, a procession moved through Athens to the Acropolis. Procession means a long line of people used to go from Athens to Acropolis till the temple and end in the Parthenon. In that temple, an expensive robe. Robe is a long dress or gown, usually made of wool. It was made of wool and was offered to the statue of Athena. They used to offer it to God. Whenever we offer something to God, we do not say give it. We say offer it to God. So it was offered in the temple. On the slopes of the Acropolis was above the hills, in the hills, so it was very high. It was known as High City. So on the slopes there were theatres, plays, festivals were played and portrayed. Conducted means it was portrayed on the stage. It was staged for them. During this festival, plays, theatres, dramas were all to be seen. The largest of the theatre was the theatre of Dionysius, where 25,000 people could gather at a time. Gather means collect. They could sit there and watch the theatre. The Greeks took their theatre very sincerely. Seriously means sincerely. They were very sincere about it. They really worked hard for it. And they held competitions. Contests means competitions for judging the best actor, writer, etc. Prizes were given for best actor, writer, etc. The ancient Greek plays have played an important role in the history of drama. All the English theatres and dramas have originated from the Greek dramas. Modern drama owes many of its features to the Greek drama. Today, whatever dramas and theatres in English are staged and we see, they all have originated from the Greek dramas. Now, I hope you have learned this lesson. There are many hard words and new words. Let us see the pronunciation of the difficult words and please underline these words. Important, cultural, centers, ancient, worshipped, goddess, wisdom, Athena, war. Please pronounce it as war. W-A-R is war, not war. W-A-T-C-H is watch, not watch. Whenever we have W-A, we use it as war. We call it war. War, watch, ocean, patronage. Patronage means when you have the power of or right of something, the position. Offered, success, indicated means point out. Believe, choose. Greece, Greece is the place, the capital. Greece is a European country and the capital there is Athens. People living in Greece are called Greeks. High city, Acropolis, please listen to the pronunciation and underline. Grandest, you can pronounce with me. Parthenon, columns, N is silent here, they are blocks or rows. Simply, statue, festivals. Athenians, people of Athens are called Athenians, people living in Athens. They are called Athenians. Panathenea, popular, Olympic, procession, expensive, robe, statue, conducted, festivals, Acropolis, theatre, Dionysius, seriously, contest, don't say contest, contests, judging, writer, don't write W-I-R, write W-R-I-T-E-R. Drama, features, O's. The O-W-E-S is O's. There are many new words. Ancient is very old. Wisdom is knowledge. A person with wisdom is called a wise person. Centers are places where any work or programs are carried on. It is a place. C-E-N-T-R is used in maths for a center point. And C-E-N-T-R-E-S is the central place wherever some work or festivals are held. Important, you all know. Culturalist traditions. Goddess is the female of God. Contest is competition. War is a big fight between two states or two countries. Success is to win or to be successful. Dedicated is to work sincerely, to give your whole energy for something. When you are very devoted to some work, it is called dedicated. Conducted means staged or performed. The plays were performed on the stage in this lesson. Peace is when you are very calm and you don't fight. You are in union with others. Believe, this is a verb. This is an action. You believe in your parents, your father, mother. And B-E-L-I-E-F is an abstract noun. That is when you have belief in God. So please understand the difference. Choose, C-H-O-O-S is choose, to select. You all know select because in laptop and mobiles we have an option for select. C-H-O-S-E is the past tense of choose. That is chose, that is called chose. And O-O-S-E is called choose. Statue is an idol of God. Any idol, I-D-O-L, idol of God is called statue. In Hindi we call it murti. Worship is to pray. When you pray to God, this is the past tense of worship. You have worshipped someone. Offered is when you offer something to God. It is not give. We never give something to God. We offer something to God. It's an act of giving. It's an act of giving, offering. But we say offering. We never say give. Theatre are the dramas and plays held on the stage. Built is the past tense of build. B-U-I-L-D is the present tense. B-U-I-L-T is the past tense when you build a temple or any building. It is to make. Grandest means most beautiful or magnificent. Huge means very big in size. And vast is very big in area. Ivory, you have seen the two tusks of elephant bulging out, two white teeth. We get ivory from them. We make jewelries and showpieces out of ivory. In Hindi we call it Hathi Daant. So that is called ivory. Ivory comes out of the teeth or tusks of elephants. Popular is famous. To be popular is one who becomes very famous. Like Gandhiji was a popular leader. Expensive is very costly. Procession is a line where people walk in order during a function, a ceremony, a marriage, a festival. People walking in line in order. That is called procession. Robe is the long dress or gown they had offered to goddess Athena. It is a long dress. Anybody who wears a long dress is a robe. Now, I hope you have understood the meanings and the hard words. I have explained you each and every word with meaning. These are the difficult words. Let us see the meanings. Yesterday we had done the other part. There are some meanings. Worship means prayed to. Wisdom means knowledge. O means to exist or to be successful because of the help of something. Here O's means successful because due to Greek dramas, today English dramas have become very successful. So there are very few meanings. Will be giving you a questionnaire, that is a question bank. In that you will get 20 meanings and other things. Also make sentences. Don't do anything in your copy from the lesson. We'll give you a question bank. You will copy only the short questions and long questions in your reader copy. And rest of the questions, you'll take out a printout and keep it in a folder safely for all the lessons, as these lessons would be included in your term 1 portion.
On a time, the Parthenon looked like this. A temple to the goddess Athena. It was a symbol of culture and refinement. A beautifully sculpted marble frieze spanned the Parthenon above the columns. And so this temple stood for 2,000 years.
I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice week ahead.